He's back. He's back in the house, and he doesn't seem like he's gonna go anywhere. The dog Fry. He's he's not going anywhere, and he's very, very, very young. He's still a baby. So question number one is Milton. Do you think you smother your dogs too much? I don't think I do. I mean, the most I ever do, I get close to their faces and I just rub my face against their face, and it's just something that I've been doing since I was since I've been like since I was probably 4 years old. And funny about that is when I was 4 years old, I just I annoyed a dog too much. That he actually bit me pretty hard. He attacked me pretty hard. And they had to hit him with a broom to get him off me. He was the size of this guy, this German Shepherd right here. And question number two is Milton. Uh, if you could, what kind of trees do you like better? Do you like fresh Christmas trees, or do you like plastic Christmas trees? Actually, I like plastic Christmas trees because I like the plastic ones because they're easier to put away and they don't shed, and you don't have to clean around them all the time. And that's one thing I like a plastic tree over a fresh tree. So question number question number three, Milton. Are you gonna show this guy? Are you gonna show him more around in your interviews? Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna show him around. And yeah, he's gonna be in the interviews more often. And yeah, just I'm gonna make sure that he's in the interviews more. Yeah.